just want to share what I have learned in Comfort that made me interested and gave me more knowledge on how to break the main idea or argument. The first one that I would like to discuss is encounter evidence, which means you have to read a lot with understanding and able for you to deliver your speech, for you to make your arguments stronger. By reading a lot, it helps you to defend your argument and to support your main idea as well. In this case, if they ask about your argument, you would easily prove that it's fact and existing. One advantages of encounter evidence is that your argument will be more credible. For example, if the argument is about the parent juvenile, you have to give a supporting idea that can rebut the argument. In short, if you are more knowledgeable about the motion, it will credit to you and also to your argument to will favor on you. Second one on how to rebut an argument is assertion that means all the statement that you are going to say need a positive thinking because you are claiming this idea is definitely yours and that argument coming from you is based on fact, other word, it is favorable. My other thing that is not kind of believable, but being positive helps you to break an argument without any furnishing or no information analysis, for example, without any background or proof can break an idea. The third one is misinterpretation. Attacking the main idea will will make your argument weak because in this case you should have this critical thinking that may help you to aggregate your ideas. This reasoning is a fallacy of relevance. It fails to address the proposition in question by representing the opposing position. For example, quoting an opponent's words out of context, choosing quotation that misrepresent the opponent's actual intentions, presenting someone who defends a position poorly as the defender, then denying the person's arguments, thus giving the appearance that every upholder of that position and thus the position itself had been defeated.